Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to charge a Smartwatch Y68. The first thing we have to have is our smartwatch disconnected from its strap. If we have it on, we will have to remove it by removing both sides. We will see that on the sides of the screen we have two connectors. One of them has some pins that will make a USB connection, and that will allow us to charge it. Taking this side into account, we are going to take a normal phone charger that we have with USB and insert the watch using this connection. Be careful when connecting it, and pay attention to the correct position, since many times it does not charge because it is not correctly positioned. Once you have entered it, you can connect the charger to the light, and you will see that it begins to charge the smartwatch. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.